First secret way to stop your WhatsApp from burning your data. So without further delay, let's get straight into this video. Let's get it started. Literally, you can stop your WhatsApp from burning your data, especially on call, by heading over to WhatsApp setting and then stroke all the way down until you find storage and data. Tackle on less data on call. Mobile download. To help you save your data, that's work for you by heading over to your WhatsApp. Click on the upper right corner where you got the three dots, head over the setting, stroke all the way down until you find storage and data. Click on that so that it will help you save your data for more time. And then stroke all the way down, click on when using mobile data. Tackle off all of these things to help you manage your data. Turn off auto download on Wi-Fi, especially for those of you not using Wi-Fi at home, because this won't help you to restrict or random download like a video and other things to help manage your data. Follow the step as you see on the screen as work. Reduce photo upload quality, especially for those of us that like to take photo in 4K more and then send it to friend or send it to a group. It burn more data. So to achieve that, head over to your setting, stroke all the way down, you find storage and data, and then click on that. Make sure you stroke all the way down to make that help you manage your data, like for conversation, like picture and any other thing related to it, or help manage your data. So to do that, head over to your setting, find storage and data. At default, it's going to be on auto, so you have to take it from default and bring it down to data saver to help manage your data. If it works for you better, so you stay tuned with it, and then I always give you the managing skill to harvest your data. So